Hello and welcome to another video of Do It Lego. Today I'll be showing you how to make lasers fly. The first thing you need is a Lego minifigure who can hold a blaster. You can use any gun, but we're just going to use the plain old regular blaster. Next you need a target. I'm going to use this B1 battle droid. Now you need your minifigure to fire. First going to go from cone to blaster. Next, I need to use a trick I learned from Castle Cyclops. I'm going to leave a link in the description to his channel. Please subscribe and like his videos, all that good stuff. Anyway, you need to build a stand that can hold a laser. Make sure it's out of camera view. That is important. And then after that, you're going to use tape to stick it onto your target. I don't have tape right now, so I'm just going to use the Battle Droid Commander and just turn his body around so I can stick it on. Now either have them fall forward or backwards. The final product should be this. Thank you for watching and please subscribe. Do it!